Hi viewers, welcome to Shaker's Biofactory for NEET Principles of Inheritance and Variations with Dihybrid Cross or 2-gene inheritance. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notifications. Like, follow and share my videos to your students and friends to get more information in biology related to NEET and other national state level competitive exams. In this video, I am going to explain the inheritance of two genes or dihybrid cross experiment conducted by Mendel. Dihybrid cross is a cross in between two different lines or genes that differ in two observed traits. When inheritance of two pairs of contrasting characters is studied simultaneously in a cross, it is called dihybrid cross. In the name dihybrid cross, the di indicates that there are two traits involved. Example, the shape of the seed and color of the seed. Shape of the seed having a gene with two alleles, capital R and small r. These alleles are located on 7th chromosomal pair. Color of the seed having a gene with capital Y and small y. These are present on chromosome 1 pair. The dominance relationship between alleles for each trait was already known to Mendel when he made this cross. But the main purpose of the dihybrid cross was to determine if any relationship existed between different allelic pairs in pea plant. He picked round yellow seeds and wrinkled green seed and crossed them. Yellow color was dominant over green colored seed. Round shaped seed is dominant over wrinkled shaped seeds. The genotypic symbol capital Y for dominant yellow seed color and small y for recessive green seed color, capital R for round shaped seeds and small r for wrinkle shaped seeds in pea plant. A dihybrid cross is a cross between two organisms with both being heterozygous for two different traits like round and wrinkled for shape of seed, yellow and green for color in pea seeds. In a dihybrid cross, the parents carries different pairs of alleles for each trait like capital R or small r, capital Y and small y. One parent carries homozygous dominant alleles like capital Y, while other carries homozygous recessive alleles like small r, small y. In dihybrid cross or two gene inheritance experiment conducted by Mendel, Mendel selected two plants as a parents. In these, round yellow, wrinkled green. These two plants are selected as a parental plants in his dihybrid cross experiment. The genotype of a round yellow parental plant is capital R, capital Y. The genotype of a wrinkled green plant is small small y. He conducted a cross in between these two parental plants. At this time, each parental plant it can produces only one type of gametes. The first parental plant it produces only one type of gametes with capital R and capital Y allele. The second parental plant also can produce only one type of gametes. All gametes are with small or small y alleles. These gametes are fused to form F1 generation. In this F1 generation, unfortunately, all plants having round and yellow color seeds which are similar to only one of the dominant parent. And the genotype of F1 hybrid is capital R small r capital Y small y. This F1 hybrid, it can produces four types of gametes. The possible type of gametes are the first type of gametes with the capital R capital Y, second type capital R small y, third type small r capital Y, fourth type small r small y. In this way, F1 hybrid have a capability to produce four types of gametes. In Mendel's experiment, by conducting a cross or self-pollination in between two F1 hybrids, each F1 hybrid, it is the F1 hybrid, it is considered as male parent, it is the another F1 hybrid considered as a female parent because the pollen grains are collected from male parent and these are transferred on stigma of female parent. Both parents can produce two types of gametes. The gametic fusion and possible combinations are studied with Punnett square method. In this first combination is capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital Y. This plant phenotypically it shows round yellow. The second combination is capital R, capital R, capital Y, small y. Phenotypically, this plant also shows round yellow character. The third combination, capital R, capital Y, small y. These plants also round yellow. The fourth combination, capital R, capital Y, it is also shows round yellow. The next combination, capital R, capital Y, this plant phenotypically round yellow. The next combination, capital R, capital Y, small y, this plant also round yellow. Next combination, capital R, capital Y, small y, round yellow. Capital R, capital Y, small y, round yellow. Capital R, capital Y, small y, round yellow. In this way, in this dihybrid cross, totally 9 plants are produced with a round yellow character. These are the combination shows round yellow character. The next combination is capital R, small y. Now a new character expressed in F2 generation, it shows round green seeds. The next combination, capital R, small y. It is also round green character. Next combination, capital R, small y. It shows round green phenotypic character. So in these three plants, it shows a new character. It is not seen in parents. It is round green. The next combination is small r, capital Y. The phenotypic character is wrinkled yellow. It is also not seen in parental combination. Next combination, small r, capital Y, small y. It is also phenotypically wrinkled yellow. The next combination, small r, capital Y, small y. It is also phenotypically wrinkled yellow. So these three combinations mentioned here, this shows a new character. It is wrinkled yellow. It is also not seen in parental combination. The last combination is small r, small y. It is phenotypically wrinkled green. It is also one of the character. It is selected as a parent in parental combination. In this way, in dihybrid cross, along with the parental combination, like round yellow, wrinkled green, and new combinations like round green, wrinkled yellow. Such type of combinations are possible in F2 generation, which is conducted by Mendel with two pairs of contrasting characters. He obtained only round yellow seeds in F1 generation. This indicates that round shape and yellow color of seeds are dominant in nature. Then F1 progeny was self-pollinated. This resulted in four different combinations of seeds in F2 generation. The results were identical to those that he got when he made separate monohybrid cross in between yellow and green seeded plants and between round and wrinkled seeded plants. By conducting a monohybrid cross in between round and wrinkled, in similar way, in F1 generation, only round shaped seeds plants are produced, but in F2 generation, along with the round wrinkled seed plants are also produced. It is the same result which is previously obtained by Mendel in his monohybrid cross. In this monohybrid cross also, the round and wrinkled phenotypic ratio is 3:1. The genotypic ratio is 1:2:1. So it is the monohybrid cross conducted by the Mendel to check the result of dihybrid cross. In similar way, separately by taking yellow and green color seeded plants, he conducted monohybrid cross. In this cross also, the F1 progeny or F1 hybrid having only dominant parental character. By selfing these F1 hybrids in F2 generation along with the dominant character, recessive character also expressed. In this cross also, the phenotypic ratio is a yellow-green equal to 3:1 and the genotypic ratio it is equal to 1:2:1. Mendel self-hybridized the F1 plants and he found that 3 by 4th of F2 plants had round seeds and 1 by 4th had wrinkled seeds. In similar way, 3 by 4th plants in F2 plants are yellow seeds, 1 by 4th plants are with green seeds separately. The yellow and green color segregated in a 3:1 ratio. In similar way, round and wrinkled seed shape also segregated with 3:1 ratio just like monohybrid cross. 3y plus 1 small y into 3 capital R plus 1 small r is equal to 9 capital Y small r, 3 capital Y small r plus 3 capital R small y plus 1 small r small y. In this way, we got phenotypic ratio from monohybrid cross. The phenotypic ratio is explained according to the dominance relationship of alleles involved and all four possible combination of two different traits are obtained. The result of Mendel in dihybrid cross experiment. In Mendel's dihybrid cross experiment, totally he got 556 plants in F2 generation. The result like this. In F2 generation, the round yellow combinations are 350 plants and its ratio is calculated as 9.84 percentage. Round green combinations are with 108 plants calculated as 3.38. Wrinkled yellow plants are 101 and its ratio is calculated as 3:3.16. Finally, wrinkled green plants are 32 plants. Its ratio is calculated as 1.00. So based on this result, he explained the phenotypic ratio as 9:3:3:1. Phenotypic ratio, especially out of 16 plants, round yellow plants are 9, round green plants are 3, wrinkled yellow plants are 3, wrinkled green plants are 1. So that the phenotypic ratio of dihybrid cross is calculated as 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. This 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1 phenotypic ratio is a classic Mendelian ratio for a dihybrid cross in which the alleles of two different genes assort independently into gametes. Phenotype is a description of physical characteristics. It includes both visible characters or traits and measurable traits. The genotypic ratio shows the number of times a characteristic of an organism will be seen in the offsprings when genes for certain traits are crashed. To predict the genotypic ratio just by recalling monohybrid cross genotypic ratio, for each gene the ratio is equal to 1 is to 2 is to 1. In this, 1 is equal to capital A, 2 is equal to capital A small a, 1 is equal to small a, then it can be calculated algebraically. It is converted to dihybrid cross genotypic ratio. To get the dihybrid cross genotypic ratio, the formula is 1 capital R plus 2 capital R plus 1 smaller into 1 capital Y plus 2 capital Y plus 1 small y. It is equal to 1 capital Y plus 2 capital R capital Y plus 1 capital R small y plus 2 capital Y plus 4 capital Y plus 2 capital R small y plus 1 smaller capital Y plus 2 small r capital Y and 1 small y. With this formula, we get the genotypic ratio of dihybrid cross. The genotypic ratio of dihybrid cross is calculated as that is we expect a characteristic 1 is to 2 is to 1, 2 is to 4 is to 2, 1 is to 2 is to 1 ratio of 9 possible genotypes. But sometimes the genotypic ratio of dihybrid cross is calculated as 1 is to 2 is to 2, 4 is to 1 is to 2, 1 is to 2 is to 1. Genotypic ratio is sometimes calculated as 1 is to 2 is to 1, 2 is to 4 is to 2, 1 is to 2 is to 1 because in first combination to calculate genotypic ratio we have to take capital R 3 times and it is combined with capital Y small y. Now we get 1 is to 2 is to 1. In second combination, first we have to take capital R 3 times and it is combined with capital Y small y. We get 2 is to 4 is to 2. In third combination, we have to take smaller 3 times and it is combined with the capital Y small y. Now it is equal to 1 is to 2 is to 1. In this way, the genotypic ratio of monohybrid cross experiment, it is calculated as 1 is to 2 is to 1, 2 is to 4 is to 2 and 1 is to 2 is to 1. But in some books, the genotypic ratio is calculated as 1 is to 2 is to 2, 4 is to 1 is to 2, 1 is to 2 is to 1 because the round yellow combinations phenotypically 9. In this, capital Y is equal to 1, capital Y small y is equal to 2, capital Y is equal to 2, capital R small y is equal to 4. Totally 9 individuals. Round green phenotypical individuals are 3. In this, capital R small y is equal to 1, capital R, small y is equal to 2. Totally 2. 3 combinations. Wrinkled yellow phenotypical combinations are 3. In this, small r, capital Y is equal to 1. Small r, capital Y is equal to 2. Totally 3 individuals. But finally, wrinkled yellow is only one with small r, small y. So when we calculate the genotypic ratio in this way, at this time we get 1 is to 2 is to 2, 4 is to 1 is to 2, 1 is to 2 is to 1 as a genotypic ratio. In this, both genotypic ratios are correct, but we have to take it is in a proper way. Based on dihybrid cross experiment, Mendel proposed the third law. It is called law of independent assortment. Based upon such observation on dihybrid cross, in a cross between plants differ in two traits, Mendel proposed a second set of generalization that we call Mendel's law of independent assortment. The law of independent assortment states that the alleles of different genes are inherited independently within the organism that reproduce sexually. According to the law of independent assortment, the alleles of two more genes get sorted into gametes independent of each other. The alleles received for one gene does not influence the alleles received for another gene. Mendel's experiment always portrayed that the combination of traits of the progeny are always different from their parental traits. Based on this, he formulated the law of independent assortment. Both loci for capital R, capital Y, small y assort independently. One allele at each locus is completely dominant and other of four possible phenotypes can be distinguished unambiguously with no interaction between them, the two genes that would alter the phenotypes because of both character, especially shape of the seed and color of the seed. The gene alleles are located on two different chromosomes. Because of this reason only, the law of independent assortment is possible. That's why by conducting a cross in between round yellow, wrinkled green combinations in F2 generation along with parental combination, new combinations are also expressed because the genes are located on different chromosomes. One important note, Mendel's laws of inheritance are not universally applicable. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe my channel, click on bell icon to get notifications, like and share my videos to your students and friends.